Hello, my dear researchers, ladies and gentlemen. First, let me ask you a question. Who's here loves to shop at convenience stores frequently? Or who's here an industry worker? Okay, thank you. So the thing that we can conclude is whoever we are or whatever that we like, still we are an active plastic consumer, am I right? And as this is a serious problem and the use of plastics are getting untold, I take this opportunity to make a move to spread awareness and to advocate the certain ways on how to reduce and utilize plastics in the right way. Therefore, I, Novelissa Wirasto from San Francisco of Assisi Samarinda, standing here to deliver my speech, be an overcomer by overcoming plastic waste pollution. So, ladies and gentlemen, plastic waste is a subject that needs to be spoken about more, and it is undeniable that plastic enables our life become easier. But do you know how plastic will take time to decompose? So, plastic will take time 20 to 500 years to decompose. Therefore, plastic is labeled both as a blessing and as a curse for our life. According to the Central Statistics Agency of Indonesia, plastic waste in Indonesia reached to 64 million tons a year, and 3.2 million tons of them are plastic waste that thrown into the ocean. Meanwhile, there are 10 million tons of plastic bags, which is equals to approximately 85,000 of plastic bags that thrown to the landfill. Wow, it's a huge amount of plastic waste, right? Therefore, this is a serious problem and must be followed up by our real actions. And by this is a serious problem, some of you might think like, why we should take this problem seriously? And I will get it to answer you. Now, let's start to think about our future, our next generations, and our present Earth. Imagine how these important things will be if this plastic waste pollution continues to go out of the hand. It will be terrible, right? Therefore, I need you to open your ears, open your mind, and pay attention to the small steps that I'll highlight in order to manage the use of plastic in Indonesia. First, avoid single-use plastics. Single-use plastics such as plates, straws, bags, and cutlery made from this material make our life easier. But at the same time, this can seriously harm the planet. Therefore, it is preferable to use the eco-friendly ones like metal lunch boxes, metal bottles, and jute bags instead of the plastic ones. And what's more, we have to be glad of most of the restaurants and cafes serve us paper bags, paper straws, and cutlery that made from stainless steel. And most of the supermarkets and clothing stores serve us cassava bags, paper bags, and some of them require us to bring our own shopping bag. So certainly this first point is especially important because according to the www.nationalgeographic.org, these plastic bags alternatives have some advantages over the plastic bags when it comes to sustainability, because they are easier to recycle, they are biodegradable, and also they can be used for some purposes like composting. And then furthermore, the second one, recycle PET plastic. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what PET plastic is? PET, which stands for polyethylene terephthalate, is a form of polyester. And what's more, PET bottles are known as the greenest and cleanest type of plastic. And as claimed by the chairman of Indonesian Plastic Recycling Association, these PET bottles can be processed 100% into valuable products. And therefore, there's no need for restrictions on their use. Hence, it is an essential action for us to recycle the garbage with the principle of 4R, which are recycle, reduce, reuse, and replace. And by doing so, we are supporting the National Economic Circulation Program. And lastly, avoid using cosmetics that contains microplastics. Well, maybe this point is addressed likely to the makeup enthusiast, because I am a makeup enthusiast too, and I am a makeup collector too. But as what said from some scientists in Marine Pollution Bulletin, they said that there are approximately 80 tons of microplastic waste that thrown into the ocean. How pathetic. So definitely I have to take it that this a makeup enthusiast, lipstick collector, or cosmetic lover. But what matters is to buy or to find makeup or cosmetic brands that is not only good for you but also for the environment. So, ladies and gentlemen, in short, we have to overcome this problem together by doing those small steps, such as avoiding single-use plastics, recycling PET plastics, and choosing not to use cosmetics or even makeup that contains microplastics. Therefore, I need you to overcome this problem with me because our small steps does matter. As in my speech, Lemuel Berry once said, "This word is what we have in common. Therefore, let's save the earth." Thank you for lending me your ears. Have a great day.